Hi, this is homework 5.5, page 176. Question number 10. If you see a fraction over another fraction, how do I do this? So, okay, a over b actually is a divided by b. So first you can write this fraction into 7/10 divided by negative 1 over 5. If you divide by something equals, you multiply the reciprocal of that number. Reciprocal, it means flipped upside down. So you move up, 5 up, and negative 1 move down, right? So you divide by this equal multiply the reciprocal of this. Okay, so this is multiply. All right, and then you can cross out divide by 5, both the top and the bottom. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So this equal 1. This is equal 2. So 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2. 7 times 1 equals 7. Okay, 7 over negative 2 equals negative 7 over 2 equal negative 7 over 2. It is all the same. These three answers are all correct. Okay, either way. Okay, when you see a decimals divide by integer, so how can we do this? So when we make this into this, it will be easier. Make the decimals become fraction. Because 2.8, that equals 28 divided by 10. So the top, the numerator is 28 divided by 10, right? And negative 4, you can say negative 4 over 1. Okay, so that equals 28 tenths divided by negative 4 over 1. Divide by something equal multiply the reciprocal of that number. So you multiply upside down. So negative 4 on the bottom and 1 at the top. Again, you can divide it by 4, both top and the bottom. So this becomes negative 1. Negative 4 divided by 4. A negative number divided by a positive number, it becomes negative. 28 divided by 4 becomes 7. So the top numerator is 7 times 1 is 7. And the bottom is 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. Okay, so it equals negative 7 over 10 or negative 7 over 10 or negative 0.7. Alright, I want to find a faster way to do this. So you see, here we focus on this and this part. Okay. So when you see a fraction over another fraction, it will become a new fraction. The denominator of the new fraction actually is a product of the number inside these two. So the denominator of the new fraction is this multiply this times this. And the numerator of the new fraction is the product of two outer numbers. So that's why I say when you see like a over b over c over d, that equals the denominator is a product of inside these two numbers, so b times c. In the top, the numerator is a product of outsider So you'll be A times D. So this is a faster way. You don't have to write divided and multiply the reciprocal. You'll be faster, right? So I give you an example. 5 over 4 over 3 over 7. So you can just write the denominator is 3 times 4. The numerator is 5 times 7. This is very, very useful. And when you see, sometimes you see 3 over a half, how can I do this? You make an integer into fraction because 3 equals 3 over 1. So it's fraction over fraction. So again, these two, put it down. 3 times 2 on the top. So that will be 6. Alright, let's have a look at the other example. For this one, we can apply the same method. It's question 11. So 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. Don't forget this negative sign. Okay? So I want to put this negative. You can either put it to 5 or put it to 6. The result is the same. So I mean you can put here like this or this. Don't leave it here. But if you leave here, maybe you will forget it, right? So just give to some number. Don't leave it outside the fraction. Alright. So the denominator of the new fraction is the product of inside is two numbers. So it's negative 6 multiply negative 6. And the numerator is the product of outside. Outside is two numbers, so 5 and 7. So it'll be 35 over the product of two negative numbers is positive. The product of two negative numbers is positive. So it's 36. This is your answer. Positive 35 over 36. Let's have a look at the other example. Okay. Actually, if you see decimal over decimal, you can multiply 10. Both top and the bottom multiply 10. Multiply 10. If you multiply a number both the top and the bottom, will not change the value of the fraction itself. Repeat, if you multiply the same value both top and the bottom, it will not change the value of the fraction. So you can do this. There will be negative 55 over 5. There will be negative 55 divided by 5. So that will be negative 11. Or if you really want to use fraction, you will also can do this. So like I said, don't leave this negative outside. Maybe you will forget it. So put it to someone. So I put it on top. Negative 5.5 over 0.5. Then convert your decimal into fractions. Negative 55 over 10. 5 over 10. And then this times this equal this times this. Again, you can cross out this. And 55 divided by 5 is negative 11. So that's also, you can find the answers. Okay, I hope you finish your homework. See you next time.